Welcome to my fetching art channel, drawing, art, craft, and whatever you say is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. You start noticing details like shadows, texture, and proportion that might go unnoticed otherwise. To make the marker and pencil box, it's very easy and amazing. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. To make these pencil box and different marker box, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It can be meditative, reducing stress and promoting mindfulness as you become fully immersed in the process. Arrange everyday objects like a box, fruit, or books box and draw them, or you can say craft them from life. Focus on proportion, shadows, and texture. Use a grid to break down a reference image into smaller sections. This method can help us accuracy and learning to focus on small details rather than the entire subject at once. Art and craft with one continuous line without lifting. Start experimenting by trying simple shapes and turning them into more complex. Thanks for watching this